from the day one I did not get any blister at all. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review about the Chloe slide which I unboxed in the YouTube before. If you did not watch that video, I request you to check that video. I put in the description box and also in the screen somewhere in the corner. And yeah, so I've been using these slides for almost 3 months now, and as you know, this one is kind of the controversial slides because many people think that these slides are very comfortable to wear, and some people think that it is not comfortable at all. But I'm just here going to express my feeling about the Chloe slides and my experience with this. Okay, here is the Chloe slides. First of all, these slides I'm wearing like for 3 months almost. I don't say every day, but on regular basis. It gave me 0 blister, 0 breaking time, and yeah, I mean, I don't say it's a very comfortable slide. See, you are feeling like you are walking on the clouds. It's nothing like that because this sole is very hard, and there is no cushion on it, and it's a canvas material, so it's definitely not very like comfortable, but it's also not uncomfortable. I wore these sandals whole day, and I did not feel like that my feet is hurting or I need to change my slippers or something like that. I did not feel that, and I did not feel any blister. I told you it's a 0 blister, no, not even a scratch on my foot. So I was very happy with that, because I was worried once I bought this one because most people say that it causes blister. I was okay with the blister because I know after breaking up for a few days it will be fine, but from the day one I did not get any blister at all. And to be honest, I don't as I told you, it's not very uncomfortable, but yeah, it's not too comfortable. Only con about this slide is I wish I would get it one size bigger. I will definitely suggest to size up from me. I am through 37 and I should got it 38. But yeah, I'm fine with that. I wore it many times. There is nothing much to review about it, but after 3 months, what I realized I can recommend these slides. But yeah, it's a little bit of a branding on the foot, which I actually don't like that much. I was so much like unsure about getting this one because due to the branding thing, but it was also looking very cute in the Instagram photos. I mean, the people who are wearing it and posting photos, it looks so chic and very cute on the foot. So I couldn't resist to buy it. Another con, I feel like the canvas is getting very dirty. I wore it quite a few times, but I did not realize that it would be dirty. I mean, it's obvious it's a white, I mean, not full white, it's a creamy white kind of slides which supposed to get dirty. I'm not sure how to clean it. If anyone knows how to clean the slides, the canvas, please comment down below because I'm very worried about it. Nowadays, I'm not wearing this one much due to the I feel like whenever I wear it, it gets just more dirtier. So I'm just keeping this one for any occasions, not occasions, because these cannot be is a very particular, the fancy occasions. It's almost like you can wear in the beach, you can wear, I mean, the regular wear, you can wear that. So when my dresses are very simple, like only one solid color dresses, I need my accessories to be a little bit of statement piece. I only wear these slides only that time. Otherwise, I prefer not to wear it, because the place I live, actually, it's not like it, I cannot say it's like the dust free area I live. No, it's very dusty, because I live in Middle East. So yeah, you can understand the weather of Middle East. So it's a little bit downside for this slide, that I'm not saying for these slides, but I think for specifically for this color, because it's very light color, and you can see this, it's very dirty. It's not that white anymore. I don't know the camera is catching the dirtiness or not, but yeah, it's not that, not that clean at all. So yeah, please, so the back is say that I wore it many times, you can see. But yeah, that's that's a very short review for my Chloe slides after 3 months. If anyone wants to buy it and contemplating about whether to buy or not due to its comfortness, for me it was comfortable, and I was happy that I bought this sandal. And yeah, it's a very cute piece of accessories. You can accessorize it in very simple outfit, and it looks very great, I guess. Yeah, and it's a small update for the Chloe slides. And please, if anyone know how to clean this canvas, please comment down below. I really need that advice, because I really need to keep these slides clean, and I really wish that I found a way to clean this one. I'm very afraid to ruin this using the detergent and all. I don't know. I was thinking to clean it with the detergent and a small brush too, but I'm very worried that I may ruin the canvas material, but I'm not sure. So yeah, please comment down below if anyone knows the solution. So yeah, it's a very small review after 3 months for my Chloe slides. Please comment down below if you know the solution for cleaning this one. I'm just I cannot keep it outside. I prefer to keep it inside the dust bag, because I feel that if I keep it outside, then it will be just more dirty. And yeah, I definitely don't need that. So I am just keeping this inside the dust bag it came with. And yeah, that's a small review for the Chloe sides. If you did not watch the unboxing video, I really wish you go to the unboxing video and watch that. And that's all for today. So I'll see you on my